What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's Tuesday. Oh shit! It's Tuesday, 9:24. For 6 minutes to market open. I'd like to see a break above this level, or a break below this level, since we are looking pretty bearish. Yeah, because we failed to take this high from what session is this? From yesterday's New York session, and we just dumped in Asia. So we kind of, who knows? London session isn't over. New York session's about to start. Let's see what New York session does. But regardless, if this breaks, I'll be waiting for either or. But if it just starts ranging, then I don't think I'll take a trade. So yeah, I'll be back in 5 minutes. Alright, market has opened. Let's see if we break this support or this resistance level or this support level. Either or, it's gonna break. I'm gonna wait for that retest. But we'll see. I'm trying to set up my trading journal on Notion, because let's see, trade template. Yeah, I'll probably do that later, just cause. But today it looks like we're just gonna be ranging for a bit, maybe till 10 a.m. till that next 4-hour candle. But we'll see. It's kind of just ranging this whole section here, even on the higher time frame. Let's see. Alright. 10 a.m. That's whatever. So I think it's just gonna be ranging, to be honest. Okay, so we're just playing around this support level, but I want to see a close below it, a full body close below it, break. I want to enter on the retest, and yeah. It would be like this, just a bit above. I'll do 40 points. Like, that's a nice 1 to 2 right here. But we are gonna wait. Yeah, because it could just reject and then reject. So even though I think we actually might be a bit bullish, because I'd say this is our indication, or it's just kind of weird. Yeah, I think. Okay, 940. Alright, we're starting to break. back into this zone. 5 minute 40 points. Do 3 contracts. I think the reason why this trade would lose is this is actually our correction phase of ICC. So this would be our indication because it created a new high. It broke this high right here. So this would be our indication. And this would be our correction. I can trade the correction phase, but we don't need to have strong rejection. Alright, I'm gonna come back, see if it's just it didn't fully break, so I think it's just gonna go back to kind of ranging here. So I'll be back if I find a setup I like. Alright, so it's 9:53. Let's see if we break this resistance level, and if we do, target all-time highs. I think I'll be more aggressive. I want to wait for the pullback, but I do want to see a candle closure above this level, and then I'll enter. But if the 9:55 candle just skyrockets after this break, that's okay. Then I'll wait for the retest, but I think I'll wait just for a candle closure. Yeah. Let's see. So it's rejecting. Again, it could probably range later. Oh, it'll probably break. But this is a no trade zone. I'm not like a tech savvy person. I want to be. That's why I want to set up the Notion, just so I have something to look back to. Like, obviously I have this to look back to, but yeah, like I'm not watching. Realistically, I'm not watching 30 minutes of a video. Like, I'd rather just during my trade look at some setup pictures. Which one does it look like? Does it follow along kind of the structure? So yeah, so I'll probably wait, and I might even just do recap videos, because I don't know, taking too much space for long videos. I don't have that much space until I buy a PC. So yeah, I'll be back once again. Alright, so we broke. Well, not fully yet. 2 minutes. I want to see a candle closure above, and I'm going for 3 cons. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. 15 minutes, I'll do it on the 15 minutes. So I want to see a candle closure above this. I'm gonna enter. We might get into a bit of drawdown. But that's okay. So I'm going to screenshot this right here before I enter, and then I'll do another screenshot when I enter. Give me 2 seconds. Alright, I didn't want to like dox myself. Okay. Let's see. What is that? What? Okay.
Order filled.
Take profit at all-time highs. And 250 right there. Let's see how this trade plays out. To be honest, I might get stopped out, but I don't want to think like that. I like this setup a lot. Even then, I might just go for a simple 1 to 2. There you go. There we go. I might even just step away. From the chart. But I like this setup. It broke. It closed above that level on the 15-minute, 4-hour. You know, it did wick down all the way here, which was kind of crazy. But yeah, I think I'm gonna step away, let this trade play out, make some food or something. So yeah, win or lose, I like the setup because we did break this support resistance level becoming a support, and it's kind of just playing around here. Yeah, so I'm trying to set this up too, but I literally have a video I want to watch. Yeah, I'm gonna step away. Ugh, bit of drawdown right now. That's okay. Let's see what it does. I think the reason why I'd be losing this trade is because after this candle closure, it instantly rejected it because of fuck if I know. No, I'm joking. Just instantly rejected it, and usually I'd want to see a strong move to the upside and then retest, which I didn't follow my rule, but today I just kind of felt a bit more aggressive with my entry because I've just been so conservative with my capital and everything. So yeah, there's still a lot of time left. I might even, yeah, no. Okay. Oh, I can adjust my stop. Let's adjust my stop to 50%. Or this level. I wasn't gone for that long, but fuck. What are we rejecting off of? This level right here. I don't want to go break even just yet, because one time I went to break even and took my break even and then instantly went to the direction I wanted it to. So yeah, good thing I took off one contract just to be in profit. I think, how much did I, 78. If it takes my stop here, we'll be basically break even. So I don't want to mess around with that. But yeah, we failed to take this high. I think we're just in a bit of drawdown, which is okay. I just hope it taps into this level that it initially broke out of, and not fully break down into all the way. Oh, okay, we're gonna get stopped out. Fully break down into this level, but I think it's looking like it will. Hopefully not. Usually I hate seeing candles like this. The strong wick down, strong wick up, and then just excuse me. Okay, stop.
Order filled.
Yeah, there we go. So, break even on today. Kind of sucks. I like the setup a lot, but I think because this is actually the retest, I might enter in again. Unless it fully goes down, but I think we're just retesting this area. It'll become a support. I want to see again, take these highs and then go back to all-time highs. But if it breaks this and closes, then I know for sure I'm just not going to trade again. just break even today. So I'm gonna screenshot this and journal. Still on the 15 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna journal. If I end up taking another trade, then I'll record. But yeah, easy.